Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to unbox a new PR package that I got from Born Pretty store. As you guys know, I work with them. They just send me out really nice nail art goodies so I can make cool designs for you guys as well. And they also provided me with a discount code for 20% additional discount on your purchase. So if you want to use that, it is FEM20, FEM20. Just use it whenever you want to go shopping on Born Pretty store. So yeah, I just wanted to share the items that I got like a week ago or something like that. And first up, I got some galaxy foils. I actually got these in my previous package as well, so I'm definitely going to give away these in a future giveaway as well. I already got a set of these to give away. I've gotten like 3 of each. So yeah, but those foils are usually $1.59 each, but then I also chose some other cool foils. I really want to get back into foils again. I feel like I need to practice more, use them more just to get the hang of it again, because it's been so long that I actually used nail foils and I really want to figure out how to use them with gel polishes as well. So yeah, I'm just going to do that whenever I have the time. But this next little set contains 10 foils. I think it were 10 different foils, but these all have like some kind of leopard prints, different colors, like a very natural tone with like brown and yellow tones as well, but mostly just really fun designs and everything like that. And this set for 10 little like sheets of foil was $1.59 in dollars as well. So yeah, I think that is pretty affordable. Of course, these aren't the meter long ones. These were like 25 or 30 centimeters or something, but it's still quite a lot, like a lot of bang for your buck. Then I also got some really cute, like kind of like mesh or lace. I don't know how you want to call this. This is usually used with acrylics, but I'm going to try and use this with regular nail polishes as well as gel polishes, just to kind of like encapsulate it. So I got a few double ones of this particular mesh as well, like the blue tone. I got a double one of, so everything I got doubles of. I'm going to put in a giveaway box just for a future giveaway. I'm still not quite sure when I'm going to host the next one, but if I do so, you'll just see the video and you'll have like 2 weeks or something to actually participate if you want to enter. But those mesh thingies were, let me check, $11 for 8 different ones. Then I also got some really cute galaxy stickers and I just really love these. This is a set of 3. I'm not quite sure if the set of 3 was $3.09 or if they are $3.09 each. I think it was like for all 3, like $3, so that is pretty decent, like not too expensive. Then I got some other really beautiful floral stickers as well. First of all, I thought these were water decals, but then I looked at the back and you just peel them off, put them on your nails and just add a top coat and you're good to go. I actually already used this one, like the peachy toned old-fashioned looking kind of flowers on my foster mom-in-law, and it just looks really pretty and cute. But these were, I think for all 3, $3.89, so a little below $4. Then I also got these beautiful, like holographic, multicolored, you'll see there are a ton of different ones in here. These are stickers as well, or kind of like decals. You can definitely encapsulate those with acrylic, but because I don't do acrylic, I'm just going to use them on top of nail polish and cap them in with a decent layer of top coat. But you can do this with gel polishes as well. So I think these, because they are quite thin, they're thinner than the usual like decals or how do you say that again? I think it's like stencils or something, because some you can just peel off if you have already applied your color. But yeah, I think you can use them both ways, just like a stencil, but also as a sticker or a decal that you can actually put on the nail and keep it on there, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I got a lot of different ones in this set, and let me check how much these were. These were $3.79, so a little below $4 as well, and you get so many. And just look at how holographic this one is. That's insane. I can't wait to actually use these. The only downside to these is that they are, like, some of these stickers are quite large, so I'm not sure if it will fit on everyone's nails. My nails are quite short at the moment as well, or at least for me they're really short at the moment. So yeah, I'm not quite sure if they are going to fit onto everyone's nails, but if you a little bit like longer nails, they will definitely fit. Then I also chose some beautiful new image plates. You guys know me, I love to do stamped nail art or stamping nail art, and my image plates or stamping plates, how do you call these? I just call them image plates because there are images on these plates, you know. But yeah, I got some really nice ones. Let me check. The smaller one was $1.99, so that was pretty inexpensive. Then I got the like middle-sized plates. These were about $2 to $3, so those are pretty inexpensive as well. This one is really cool. It has a lot of different like textile textures, if you know what I mean, like different clothing, fabric textures, which was pretty cool. And then I also got some plates by Nicole Diary, or at least the brand that's also been sold by Born Pretty store. This one, I really love the bubbles and just the swirls and the flowiness of the images on it. And that one was around $3 as well. And then I also got a couple of really big plates, again with beautiful designs, beautiful images, some floral, some kind of like swirly, bubbly, like really, really cool prints and designs. I really like it. But these bigger plates were about $4.50 in dollars, so they are a little bit less inexpensive, so they are a little more expensive compared to the smaller ones, but you do get a ton of images on here, and they are pretty big as well. So if you do have longer nails, like if you follow me for a longer period of time, you know that the nails I have at the moment, like the length, is really short for me. Usually I have like way longer free edges, like way longer nails, but these will actually fit on your nails if you have longer nails than I have at the moment, so that is pretty cool. And yeah, then the last plate I got has a lot of botanical floral prints. I really like it as well, especially the ones with like the bars and everything, like combined with the flowers. I really love that look. It's kind of like minimalistic, but with a floral touch, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm definitely going to do a video about these plates like separately. That one will be up later this week as well, because I just really want to share those with you. Then another item that I got in my package, I didn't choose this one myself because I'm not really sure how to use this just yet, but it is a thermal liquid, and if you've been hanging around on YouTube a lot, you have seen some people using it. It kind of like reacts to the temperature of your like skin, of your body, and it gives a really cool like color effect. It's not like a thermal polish, it's really some kind of strange liquid, I'd say, but do check it out if you want to. I'm going to try and use it, but make a video about it if I know how to use it correctly and if it's safe to use, how to use it, everything like that. That thermal liquid was $7.99 in dollars, and then I also got some beautiful mixed pots. You guys know me, I love my gems, just my sparkly stuff to put on my nails. These contain some bigger gems and a lot of like smaller shards, like metallic shards, like colored metallic shards, I have to say, with golden embellishments as well, and just some bigger gems, some smaller gems, pointy back gems, even some flat gems as well. So there's something for everyone in these pots, and these were a little bit more expensive, like more expensive than what I'm used to, but they are quite filled up, so that's a nice thing. These were $12 for 6. So they are $2 a pot, which is like, if I compare it to AliExpress, of course this is Born Pretty store, so it is like at least safe to use as far as I know. But at AliExpress you can get pots like these for like €1 to $1.50, so that's a little bit less expensive than if you would get them through Born Pretty store, their web shop, you know. But yeah, you can always use my discount code if you want to for 20% discount. You can just keep on using it. It's not like if you've used it once you can't use it anymore, as far as I know at least. So yeah, you can definitely use that if you want to. It's not an obligation or anything like that. It's just something that Born Pretty store gave me to share with you guys, so you can actually save some money. But these spots, I'm pretty much obsessed with them. I have already shared some photos on my Instagram. Do follow me on Instagram if you want to. I'm on there pretty much all the time. I react to your DMs as well if you have any questions or want to share your own nail art, for instance. I really love seeing that, especially if you recreate one of my own designs. I'd love to see that. So don't be shy or scared. You can always just send me a message if you want to, or of course leave a comment in the comment section down below if you want to have like any questions or anything like that. You can just drop it down there and I will reply to you personally. But yeah, these pots, I'm pretty much obsessed. They're gorgeous, especially this pink one. Oh, it's so pretty. I love the bigger gems in there. But yeah, that was actually already all of the stuff that I got from Born Pretty store. If you want any links, let me know in the comments down below and I will try to look them up for you. As usual, I really hope you liked it. I love you so much. If you have any questions, let me know. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and I love to see you in one of my next videos.